Hey guys, it's Liam from Killer Inc, and today I'm going to be showing you the Nemesis MX2 power supply from Quadron. Made by the same people who brought you the world famous Quadron cartridges and needles, as well as the popular Nemesis LED power supply, the MX2 is a great power source for both rotary and coil tattoo machines. So let's take a closer look. The Nemesis MX2 power supply has a robust casing that is made from CNC machined anodized aluminium and is only 18mm thick, making it one of the slimmest power units on the market. On the front of the MX2 is a bright LED display that guarantees a super bright image that is visible from any angle during tattooing, while an on-off switch can be found on the top of the casing. Thanks to its small size, the MX2 power supply is easy to cover with cling film and bottle bags, while the high sensitivity of the glass front touch panel means that it will not lose sensitivity when covered. This front touch panel has 4 programmable voltage buttons. As well as a timer and a pedal override, which allows you to choose whether or not to operate the power supply via a foot switch, like this Nemesis branded hexagon foot pedal from Quadron. Despite its small size, the Nemesis MX2 provides artists with plenty of power and offers an adjustable voltage range between 0 and 18 volts, with a maximum input of 24 volts DC. You can adjust the voltage via the up and down arrows on the front of the MX2 in 0.1 volt increments and decrements. The Nemesis MX2 also comes with a multi-positional clamp, which allows you to attach the power supply to virtually any surface and adjust it at any angle. The lightweight and portable nature of the MX2, along with the clamp, makes this power supply ideal for both studio use and for taking with you to guest spots and conventions. Quadron also offers a 12-month warranty on the Nemesis MX2 power supply, for your peace of mind. Designed by Quadron in Poland, the Nemesis MX2 power supply is available to order from Killer Inc via the link in the description below. So what do you think of the Nemesis MX2 power supply from Quadron? Will you be ordering one for yourself? As always, let us know in the comments below, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.